Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Kohl's gift card online. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in card.gift/product/Kohl's and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to this page where you can choose your gift card and buy them right now. Go ahead and click on the buy now button in order to shop for gift cards. Select if you'd like to send the gift card to a single recipient or multiple. Now, right where you can see a little drop down, give it a click and choose the amount that you'd like to add on your gift card. Once you make the selection, click continue to recipient. Select whether the gift card is for yourself by clicking on myself, or if you'd like to send it to someone else, select someone else and enter the name of the recipient, their email address and their phone number and click continue to message. Since I'm gonna send it to myself, let's click on myself and now finally click on add to cart. Once the gift card has been added on your shopping cart, click on the checkout button, but before that, select the quantity of gift card you'd like to purchase by clicking on the plus button at the top right in order to increase your card amount, or simply decrease it by clicking on minus. Once you make the selection, click check out. On the next page, enter your contact information, enter your email address in the first text box. Once you enter your email, go right beneath and enter your billing address. Select your country or region from the drop-down. Enter your first name, your last name, enter your address on the next, your name of the city, state, zip code, and finally type in your phone number. Once you enter the contact information, click on Continue to Payment. Select your payment method on the next page, enter your payment details that is asked to you in the display, and finally click on Pay Now. Soon after you click Pay Now, simply follow the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to buy Kohl's gift card online. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.